Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to grid your paper. You're going to need a pencil, a ruler, and maybe some sort of eraser. Okay, so the first step is to remember your paper is 9 inches by 12 inches. So we are going to make a mark at every inch mark. Remember, your inch mark is the long one on the ruler. Remember, don't start at the edge of the ruler, but right here where we have that line. So you're going to very lightly make a mark at each inch. And you're going to do this all the way around your paper. Because if you only do it on one side, then it might not be even. Sorry, hopefully you can still see that. So remember, a little bit of your ruler should be hanging off, so you're measuring it exactly, making a tiny line at each 1 inch mark. And obviously, you could go like this, but what if it's not straight, right? It might not be straight. So you have to make those 1 inch marks all the way around. Remember, these should be really light because we're gonna want to erase these grid lines by the end, okay? So I'm gonna do it one more time on this side, making a mark at every 1 inch, not half an inch, just every 1 inch. And now I'm just going to very neatly connect the lines, and very lightly. You want to slowly be dragging your pencil like you are whispering it down the page. You want these lines to be nice and straight. Line it up, take your time, because this is how you're going to make your drawing look pretty accurate, right? This is the grid method. So we're going to have a grid on our photo, and that same grid is going to appear on our paper, just a little bit bigger. So we are making it a little bit larger, and we are gridding our paper like this. So you want to make sure your lines are nice and neat and really even, right? Make sure you keep your hand on the ruler the whole time that you are drawing those lines so that it's really nice and neat, because we don't want any wobbly lines, because that's going to mess up your grid drawing. So it works best if you use a mechanical pencil, but you can use a regular pencil too. Obviously you don't have to go out and buy one, but we should be really whispering our lines. They should be really nice and light, all the way up and down, and all the way across. So make sure that you are really focusing. Remember, our craftsmanship starts here, right? It starts with paying attention to details even from the beginning. So here is my paper, and what I'm going to do, I'm gonna use it this way, is I'm going to really lightly, again, you don't want to see these numbers at the end, going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then you're going to write A, B, C, so you're going to write all the way down to L, right? And there we have our grid.